welcome back to Adelaide Boat Sales. I'm Kieran and today we're at North Haven to look at quite a special yacht by the name of Quiver. You can see Quiver has a classic contemporary yacht design. She was originally built in South Australia by Mr. Rob Lane, and the yacht has very classical lines that reveal an artistry and elegance which has drawn the eye no matter where this boat has sailed. Quiver has the quintessential lines of a vintage yacht, but with the underwater configuration of a modern seagoing vessel. The yacht's natural grace is further enhanced with a solid teak handrail and bulwark cap. Quiver was originally launched at Marina Adelaide back in the end of 2010, start of 2011. She's of modern composite construction. The deck is balsa cord and it's built intact with no seams, no joints, so it's a one-piece moulding. She has a West Epoxy hull, the epoxy and glass both inside and out over the 28mm Western red cedar. So very strong build, very strong design. This is built to the optimum safety standards as per commercial charter requirements according to the USL shipping code. Now, I couldn't possibly speak highly enough for the construction and design of this yacht. You can tell that it's been built very lovingly. It's been built to an incredibly high level of finish, attention to detail, and the thought behind accessibility to the ship's systems, which is imperative when you're talking about a blue water cruiser or a liveaboard. The owner, when building this boat, has made sure that these parts are accessible. Your kill bolts, your batteries, your genset, the shaft seals, just everything throughout the boat you can get to without any issues. So that alone, along with the build quality, it just lends itself to an incredibly capable, easy and user-friendly yacht to take to the blue water. If you'd like a full inventory on this boat, please do contact Adelaide Boat Sales. We really love dealing with this sort of thing. It's just such a gorgeous story, lovely owners, beautifully maintained. So please contact Adelaide Boat Sales today and we'll see you next time.